In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gantt chart colors in Smartsheet. Clear color coding makes timelines easier to read, helps stakeholders spot key dates, and brings your project visuals in line with your brand. We'll go step by step so you can update colors quickly and confidently. First, head to smartsheet.com and sign in as you normally do. Once you're in, navigate to your workspace, the area that holds the sheets for a given team or project. Use the left panel to find the workspace that contains the sheet you want to update, then open it. In the sheet listus, click the specific sheet where your project plan lives to open it. By default, you may see the grid. To work with color on the timeline, switch to Gantt view. Look for the view option at the top and choose Gantt. You should now see your tasks plotted across time, with milestones appearing as small diamond shapes. Find the milestone you want to recolor in the Gantt area, then right-click directly on it. A context menu will appear. Choose color settings. This opens the color picker. From here, select the color you want to use for that milestone. Pick a shade that stands out against your timeline background and aligns with your project's color conventions. If your team follows a specific scheme, for example, blue for planning, green for go live, or red for critical dates, match it here so everyone gets the same visual cues at a glance. After you choose the color, the milestone updates immediately on the chart. If it doesn't change right away, click once on an empty area to refresh the view. You can always revisit the same milestone. Right-click and adjust the color again if your needs change. Repeat the process for any other milestones you want to highlight. A few quick tips to keep your chart clear. Limit the palette to a small set of purposeful colors, use strong contrast so diamonds remain visible even when zoomed out, and stay consistent across sheets so stakeholders don't have to relearn the legend. If you ever need a broader view, use the timeline zoom controls to ensure your color choices remain readable at different scales. That's it. Open your sheet, switch to Gantt, right-click the milestone, open color settings, and select the color. With just these steps, your Smartsheet Gantt becomes more readable and presentation ready in seconds. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along as you make these updates in your own project.